All right, this is a walkthrough of the house we have in town that we flipped. We're coming in the door. This is the living room, and this is all before. Now I'll be showing the dining room, the formal dining room, going into the kitchen, which is gutted totally. And this is the master bedroom and the master bath now. And now I'll do an after walkthrough. Okay, a very quick walkthrough of the house finished. Coming in the front door. Gotta wipe my feet good. Okay, this is the living room. I'm just going to go in a circle and turn, which goes out to the backyard, which we don't have cleaned up yet. All our tools are still out there. Looking back towards the hallway and the bedrooms. This is the formal dining room. And then we go down the hallway. And we have the front bath. And then a bedroom. Turn on the lights. I'm going to kind of make a circle. Now we need to put those windows down. And the lighting in here is not good. Then I'm going to go out of here into the second bedroom. I'll just walk back over into this corner and back out. Closets. Back out. Now we'll go down the hallway and we'll go into the kitchen. And the kitchen was totally gutted. Everything. We had to put the walls back in. Everything. The door was over there. I'll walk over this way and I'll turn back around. That's the breakfast nook. There's the pantry. Okay, we'll come back down this way. We're going to go to the master. And storage. That's where the washer and dryer goes. Now we're coming into the master. Okay, and those are the closets, which are open. I need to shut them, but... And then we'll go into master bath. Can't see much. It's kind of hard to get a shot of anything in here. Had to be all redone. Okay. And that is the house that's taken us all winter to work on. And we're still not really finished, so we have a little more to go, especially on the outside. All right, that's what I've been doing all winter with my husband. Now go off. And I'm happy to say after 3 days on the market, we had 3 offers and we accepted one of them and we're on our way to selling it. And my husband's wanting to look for another house. Oh no. Thanks for watching.